Okay, let's start on our Texas trash pie. 1 cup of pretzels. 1 cup of coconut. 1 cup of pecan. And there are 1/2 of them. One cup of chocolate chips. Everything in this recipe seems to be 1 cup. 1 cup of butterscotch chips. This is my first time making this, but it sounded delicious. One can of evaporated milk. Okay, 1 stick of butter. Now let's get this mixed up. See what this turns out like. I'm not the only one. When I want my pies to look really nice, something always happens. This one, I think my husband dropped my pie crust. So one end was goofy, so it doesn't look pretty. Hopefully it tastes delicious though. Getting all that good stuff out. We preheated our oven to 350. Smooth this out. We're gonna get that in the oven. Here is our Texas trash pie. I don't know how it tastes, but it smells delicious.
Hey, hi, this is Dad from Dad's Honeydew List. And I cut this pie. It's called Texas Trash Pie. And Melissa made it. Okay, I got some Cool Whip I put on it. And then cutting it real good out. I'm gonna get a spatula.
Get the chainsaw out.
Okay. It's almost like is that caramel on the end?
Yeah, there's butterscotch.
Oh, it's butterscotch. I'm sorry, guys.
You can do caramel or butterscotch.
Caramel or butterscotch.
And I did the butterscotch.
Oh, looky here. It sticks together good. Okay. Here's one slice. I'm going to pull the other side. And I'll grab
Give it a
these.
taste.
Yeah, give it a... Let me get a little whipped topping on here. As you can see, I'll get a little more. There's what you can see the inside. Get a little more whipped topping. I'm putting it on both these guys. Here, I'll move this over. Maybe I'll move the pie over. Get a little more here. And we'll give it a try. Okay, let me put the lid on. Okay. Let me take a little bit here. It's coming apart. Okay. There you can see that. And it's very, very good. Thank you.